Antonio back with another banger. And I hope you enjoyed that last video when we were in the city. I said we were in the city, but we really wasn't. But we were driving through to go home. It wasn't really a city vlog, but we're on the way to the city because it is Seven's Day, and I know they scammed us. I ain't gonna lie, because they said it was tonight. It was last night. I didn't get the memo. I would have been there, but hopefully when we go tonight, hopefully we can see some cars. But I'm gonna put the windows up, but we're gonna have a great night. Hopefully you see some fire ass cars, and then y'all gonna really get a POV in the city, because we're gonna be in Manhattan, Times Square. But I'm gonna cut the cam. We have to get back on the highway. I had to stop and get some gas, but I'm gonna cut the cam. Oh, if the OGs know, right here is where we crashed the black one. Right there, I'm gonna zoom in on the cam. Boom, right there is where we crashed the black one, man. RIP. Give you guys some sound clips. I know one thing I realized with the sound clips in the last video, I went underneath the George Washington Bridge, and it really wasn't loud for real. But so I know I could get like a microphone and put it underneath the car and give y'all really good audio, like intake sounds and exhaust sounds. If y'all want that, let me know down below in the comment section, because I could make that happen. Spend some money, buy some microphones or whatever. But I think that's the only way. But I'm gonna try and get some good content in the tunnel. So hopefully I don't let y'all down. But I'm gonna cut to when we in the tunnel. It's burbling like crazy. Oh my god. I'm on pizza, I'm gonna lie. We didn't eat either. Let's see where the car is at. Oh. Get the boys outside. Let's see if we can find a spot. Park up and do a little bit of sightseeing. See some cars, man. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna be out of here in like an hour. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm exhausted. Ooh, see, it's what I'm talking about. What is it, a 340 or whatever it is on that? He's on the top. Yo, he's not even on a tire, bro. Oh, he's M Powerhouse. B58 boy. He's on this. Is that a slick? What is that? That's what I'm about to do. M Powerhouse boy. That shit's tough though. Clean ass F30. I ain't gonna lie. It's just clean as fuck. Oh, YouTube, it's day 2. we're currently on the way to driving back, but we're back in Jersey, going to a spot to get some shit done. I'm still gonna keep it kind of a surprise. So, but I'm excited. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm like 45 minutes away, so when I get closer, I'm gonna cut the camera back on, but yeah, gotta save battery. Things on the car, yeah, finally. Car looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I'm not paying attention. I gotta the car looks really good right now. I don't know why it's taking me an hour to get to but ooh, I'm so sidetracked. I gotta turn around. I'm just cut through there. But the car is done. The car looks good. The springs still need to settle in, and once they settle, it's gonna be like perfect. But the car is big. I'm gonna lie, I did everything I have to do. Springs done, intake done, charge pipe done, tint done, everything's done. I gotta do my my rear diffuser, and when he jacked up the car, I looked underneath there to see how to put the new diffuser in, and I think it's like 6 clips. I gotta I'm low now with a front lip, and I'm not trying to cruise my front lip. I'm scared. I gotta do the 6 clips, and it just pop up the 6 clips. I can pop out the rear diffuser, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna order that and the quad tips, take the car to the exhaust guy to weld the quad tips in, to do that, because that's, oh, I'm feeling a lot of bumps now. I feel everything. But that's going to be the next step, the next goal. So quad tips and the rear diffuser, and then I'm done. Car is finito for this season. I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna wait until the winter time to do the downpipe and stuff like that, because I'll be damned. There's no point to do power mods right now. The season's basically over. Car looks good enough to go to another show. I never took the car to a show yet, like a real show, so I'm gonna take it to a car meet. Got Beamer, who got, what's it called, Impact next month. I'm gonna take the car, and this is another show on I'm trying to think. There's one show for clean culture I'm gonna go to, so I have a couple shows lined up for this car. What are we doing? I also been working on the E46. I've been grinding. I've been keeping that on the low. Like I don't know if I can put the windows up, but last night I was up till 3 in the morning working on the E46. I dialed in the rear fitment, dialed in the rear camber. We have negative 10 degrees of camber. That is so crazy. But finished that. I'm doing a short shifter, so I took everything out, and I was sitting there trying to get the piece out for the regular shifter, the OEM shifter, and I'm watching all these YouTube videos saying there's a pin, and I'm underneath the car. I was like, I'm not feeling no pin, I'm not seeing no pin. What pin? Like, what pin are we talking about? And I looked, I took the phone, I'm gonna put the video, I have the video. the guy, cause I had a short circuit in before and it broke. Ooh, that's tough, slammed. But the guy put back the OEM one, but instead of using the pin, he put a screw washer and nuts, and I didn't know. So I'm over here feeling for a pin, and I finally looked, and it's that, and I said, God dang it. So I screwed that out, and the moment that popped out, everything came out with it. So I'm like, okay, that's perfect. Some B-roll, maybe some rollers, but until then, see y'all in the next video. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications to get more amazing content like this. But other than that, O'Neal out. Peace.